Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. Ever walked into a room, flipped a switch, and bam! Let there be light. Or maybe you've been in the middle of vacuuming your rug, only to have the room plunge into darkness. My friends, that's electricity at work. But have you ever wondered how this energy pirouettes through the veins of your home, bringing life to your gadgets, appliances, and your prized lava lamp? Well, buckle up, 'cause we're about to embark on an electrifying journey. Electrons, the ultimate party animals of the atomic world. They love to move, and it's their wild dance that gives us electric current. But to set the stage for their performance, we need a network of wires, kind of like a dance floor. This network of wires, hidden behind your walls, leads these electrons to your appliances, illuminating bulbs and making motors hum. Think of circuit breakers as bouncers at an electron club, monitoring the rowdy crowd and ensuring they don't get too wild. The second they notice too many electrons trying to boogie at once, causing an overload, they shut down the party, flipping off the switch and preventing a potential fire. Safety first. But what happens when electricity tries to get funky with water? Enter our hero, the GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter outlet. Imagine you're toasting a bagel, but, alas, your toaster takes an impromptu dive into a sink full of water. The toaster, much like a panicked swimmer, draws in more current. The GFCI outlet, akin to a watchful lifeguard, notices this, immediately cutting off the power and saving the day, or in this case, saving you from a shocking experience. You see, your home is a marvel of electrical engineering. Every light bulb, every socket, every switch is a part of an intricate ballet of electrons. A dance choreographed with precision, designed with safety, and driven by our ever-increasing need to stay connected, stay powered, and enjoy our toasted bagels in peace. It's a world of hidden wires, vigilant circuit breakers, and superhero outlets. So, the next time you charge your phone, spare a thought for the elaborate performance that's taking place behind the scenes. A performance that brings power to your fingertips, lights up your life, and, indeed, makes your world go round. After all, without electricity, you'd be in the dark, literally. And that, my friends, is how your house, your humble abode, is a powerhouse. In the truest sense of the word.